and you feel alive. You are not alone. For the love of driving. Introducing Ioniq 5N. N-brand is the technology powerhouse of Hyundai. We push the latest technology to take pure, unfiltered driving fun to a new level. This is the most advanced Hyundai N ever. Use N-eShift and N-Active Sound Plus as functional feedback and find new ways to carve through the corners with N-pedal. This is not the end of driving, but a new chapter. Our journey continues with Ioniq 5N. Because at Hyundai N, driving still matters.
Well, to all the car fans around the world, here it is, the moment that we have all been waiting for. It certainly is dynamic. You could almost say it's quite aggressive looking.
The high-performance team, you heard the N relating to the Nürburgring as well, and the 2 laps done there, and we are about to see the launch of it. And after its launch a couple of hours ago, it is now time to light it up. And it's it is so interesting that you say about that. It's trying to bring the feel of a high-performance car that we know, that we instinctively know, with all the technology of an EV.
Yes, again, so we spent such a long time getting ourselves familiarized and trained to drive these kind of fast cars. So we want to keep that skill to a very fast EV. So as I said before, if you enter a corner, you're already thinking speed, customers to have fun. And what you see on screen here is the Ioniq 5N drift spec to demonstrate the kind of fun you might have by modifying or tracking the car. And really, N-brand is all about elevating the BPM, beats per minute, of your heartbeat. And we want to use these vehicles to try to, raise your heartbeat as much as we can.
Well, that is
in the middle. You will see the silver car, which is called the N-Vision 74. That is a very interesting car because it is a hydrogen fuel cell powered car, 670 horsepower.
Wow.
It's very, very impressive, very experimental. We only have one such functional powertrain, and that is in this car right in front of you. And
1-1, and it's right there.
No wonder it's
right
being
there.
driven nice and gently, sandwiched in between your other wonderful cars.
It's not attacking the circuit like Alice would be if we'd let her drive it.
And when is this car available for customers, not the